we still remain optimistic that the market's going to move higher. We still think the pro-Trump economy is in place, even though we had this setback. And we've seen a pullback for 8 days, as you mentioned, in the market, but we're only down 2%. And we remain optimistic. We think we will get tax reform through. We think we'll get some infrastructure spending to take place later in the year. And we think these interest rates are going to stay low through the year, and think the low interest rates will be a tailwind to the stock market. So we've seen a little pullback, but we're still extremely optimistic about U.S. stocks at the Hodges Fund.
Gary, when you say that interest rates are still going to remain low, do you mean that that's even with what all the folks over at the Fed are telling us about 3, maybe more hikes, or are you saying that they're going to have to pull back from that program?
No, we still think we'll see 2 or 3 increases, but Bernie, think back last week or the week before, the 10-year U.S. Treasury was 2.6. They raised rates a 1/4 of a point. Here we are today, yielding 2.37. We just think that rates around the globe are going to stay low. The U.S. is one of the higher rates of developed countries there, and we just don't expect to see a huge increase in interest rates. And because of that, we think it's going to be a great backdrop for stocks to continue to move higher throughout the year.